Welcome to Pinkstone's Toyota. I'm Simon Pinkstone. I'm pleased to announce that our service department has reopened for all servicing, MOT and repair work, and we look forward to welcoming you back. We've made this short safety video so you know what to expect when visiting our service department. Although there are changes due to social distancing, it is our commitment to uphold the extraordinary levels of care and attentive service that you've come to expect from Pinkstone's Toyota. Please arrive promptly at your pre-arranged appointment, drop-off or collection time. Then park in the usual customer parking bays. You can then make your way into our Toyota Centre, remembering to leave the service record book and locking wheel nut key on the passenger seat of your vehicle. As you enter the building, please use the hand sanitizer provided just outside the main entrance. Our hosts will be on hand to greet you when you arrive. However, please forgive us for not being able to shake hands at this present time, but we do have items of personal protective equipment for you to use during your visit. The host will then help direct you to where you need to go. During your visit, please follow the markings on the floor whilst observing the government's 2-metre social distancing guidelines. Our service advisor will greet you and talk you through the work that needs to be done, or which may have already been completed. We also have a designated drop-off and collection point where your key can be placed. Your key will then be sanitised to stop the spread of any possible infection. Unfortunately, at this stage, we can only offer limited facilities whilst the work is done, so you may wish to make alternative arrangements, including the use of one of our courtesy vehicles. This, however, will be subject to availability. Our team of Toyota trained technicians will then use the relevant personal protective equipment whilst carrying out the work on your vehicle. After carrying out the required work, we will also continue to give your vehicle a complimentary external clean. However, we will not be able to clean the interior during this period. Unfortunately, we will not be able to accept cash payments during this time. On collection, your key will be placed in a key collection box pre-sanitised for you, and we then recommend that you also use our hand sanitisation facilities prior to departure. Thank you for your business during these unprecedented times. From both myself and all my team here at Pinkstone's Toyota, stay safe and we hope to see you again soon in better days to come.